Hi, Gab.
How's it going?
Oh, it's...
What happened to your car?
It walked the crank.
Can I have a leash so I can walk my crank?
Yeah. Fuckery, yeah. The bearings just had a party in the bottom of the oil pan, man.
What happened to your car, Tony? What happened to your car? Yeah. Back to Piston Junkies 302. As you may have saw outside, it is snowy, so it is sketchy as hell to drive the car in those conditions, but what can you do? Apparently today Tony's car shit the bed. That's the Mazda 2, and apparently it's pretty bad, so fingers crossed. We're gonna see what happens. We'll just go straight and see what's up with Tony and Peter, of course. Well, on the way to Peter's, and you can't see anything. Maybe it doesn't show in the video, but god damn it, you can't see shit. Alright, this is it. See if we'll make it in Peter's subdivision. Oh god, for fuck's sakes. A lot of snow. So this car is almost 500 horsepower and in the snow, rear wheel drive, traction off. Because it's safer that way, I find. Just turn already, just turn. All right, we'll concentrate and we'll see you at the big hill, see if the student driver makes it. All right, here it is, folks. The big hill, see if the student driver is gonna make it. Oh, that was a dumb idea. Not making that. I'm pulling in this guy's driveway, I can't make this. See if the other way around is gonna work. Oh, this doesn't seem too bad, hopefully. Oh, I'm so close, I'm so close. All right, I think we're good. Woo! Student driver made it. Good winter vehicle, folks. Perfect. She made it.
Hi, Gab.
How's it going?
Oh, it's...
What happened to your car?
It walked the crank.
Can I have a leash so I can walk my crank?
Yeah.
What happened to your car, Tony? What happened to your car? Yeah. What's going on?
Well, we're doing another Mazda engine swap. Trying to beat the record.
No, it's
Try to beat the record
Tony's
this
Mazda.
time. Tony's Mazda this time, so there's less, like, there's no turbo and all that garbage to deal with.
Okay, so take
And you got a haircut, I just saw.
I got a haircut.
take
And I shaved.
Yeah, no more Rogaine.
No more Rogaine.
Hi, Tony.
This crank is like walking faster than my dog.
We put a drone up in the air, he can fucking fly.
Is it with the drone on the dog? You hate my dog that much?
No, because Jackie said that like last summer.
Well, you guys are gonna go get another motor. He's gonna take his battery out, and I'm gonna
See what I have to live with here?
I'm gonna do some voodoo.
Let's take the hood off there, Pete.
Yep.
Hood is off, Pete.
Yeah.
The fuckery.
The fuckery that happens in Pete's shop.
All right, let's go get that motor there, Tony.
Yep.
We're going to get your motor with Big Mama right there. Tony's going in blind with Big Mama. Oh God. That is why a truck is so nice in the winter with Tony. Just purring, eh? Not even $2 grand.
1500 RPM.
Fancy clock. There's your car, Tony. Just fucking smash into it. Get a new motor. Taking the apex. Well, that's some driving right there, Tony. That's some awesome driving. All right, so we're picking up your work truck.
Yes.
Go put your Mazda 2 motor. Yeah, buddy. All right, so Tony went inside, get his work truck. We're gonna put the Mazda 2 motor on that truck. So we're gonna go get that in Gary, in Armocto, I guess, somewhere in New Brunswick. Shitty place, anyway. So Mazda 2 motor going in that truck, in Tony's work truck, and we'll see you when we get there. All right, so we're just dropping the Escalade here, so I'll just jump in Tony's truck.
A few moments later.
Well, hello again.
Well, hello.
Yes, we are in your work truck, Tony.
Yes, we are.
All right, here we go. Woo! She drifts, eh? fucking nutcase. Where's your motor, Tony?
It's here somewhere.
Oh my fuck, man, the trucks are fucked here.
Oh, are they ever? You should see some of the cars.
Man, that's cool. I like junkyards, man. So, man, some cars are fucked here. Brand new truck right there. Man, that's such a redneck place. Tony's putting in the motor. 54,000 kilometers on the motor, so that's not bad. She's all good to go there, Tony.
All good to go.
She's all good to go. All right, let's go get Big Mama.
Go pick up Big Mama and head back to the Mad Scientist.
Yeah. What did you do, Tony?
I didn't do anything yet.
Probably an accident. Oh yeah, the rear bumper's fucked. All right, picking up Big Mama. And then fixing Tony's shit.
Again.
Yeah. All right, we picked up Big Mama, and we'll see you folks back at the Mad Scientist's shop. All right, we're back at Peter's. Back at Pete's. We'll see you guys in the garage. What? Hello, what kind of fuckery is going on?
Well, the engine's ready.
While we were gone, what did you do?
3 bolts and the engine comes out from right now.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, nothing. I had a few beers and hung out. Was the dude.
That's awesome.
Cool. So we got an engine. We're gonna take that engine. We're gonna put that engine in there in about 2 hours, and then
We gotta change a lot of parts over.
Oh yeah.
A lot.
I'm aware.
You haven't seen the motor yet.
Oh, how bad is it?
It's missing a lot of stuff.
What happened here, Peter?
Well, we can see where the bearings decided they didn't want to be bearings anymore, and they just wanted to lay in the bottom of the pan instead. Tony had said to pull the oil pan first, see how bad it was. I just got it ready for the engine to come out. Then I took the oil pan off. Fuckery, yeah. The bearings just had a party in the bottom of the oil pan, man.
My God, that interior, that green.
That thing needs a full detail over here too.
Oh, does it ever, but
Tony's motor.
Tony's new motor.
Kind of icy, eh?
It's a little icy. It's a little snowy.
54K on that? That's not bad. So tomorrow, Peter, that will be inside this.
Well, yeah.
Well, tonight actually.
Tonight.
Sorry.
It's 5:30 and I'm trying to beat a record. We're 2 hours in, it's ready to pull. I'm gonna say 8 o'clock.
I know it's gonna be done.
This thing's running.
All right, so I have to go, Pete. So if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And Tony over there. Bye, Tony. Bye-bye.
A few moments later.
How's she going? There's the old motor. And the new one. Progress. Motor's out.
Everything's clean.
Old motor stripped. New motor getting ready to put in.
Old motor. New motor. Shopper. Mad Scientist shop. It's gonna happen.
She's gonna start.